Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to my page. Today, I will be sharing with you how I make this yumilicious detox green juice. But before we get started, if today is your first time of coming across this video, a warm welcome to you, and please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So let's get started. Here I have celery, ginger, lemon, green apples. Next we have cucumber. So I'm going off camera to prep them and squeeze out the lemon. Here I'm done prepping fruits and squeezing out the lemon. So next I'm going ahead to transfer them into the blender. Once I'm done, I added in some water, then cover the blender. Blend until it is smooth. Here I'm done with the blending. Look at how smooth and beautiful it looks. So next, in a bowl, I place in my chiffon cloth. Then pour in the blended mixture. Squeeze until all the juice is out. As you can see on the screen here, I am done squeezing out the juice. I am almost done, so I added in the lemon juice. Give it a stir and it is ready. You can add in any sweetener of your choice, but I prefer mine this way. It tasted so super good and amazing. A very healthy drink that helps to detox, clean and nourishes our body. Thank you so much and remain blessed. Bye.